How to swap cryptocurrencies using Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Businessnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can swap cryptocurrencies using Trust Wallet. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, simply open up your wallet on the Trust Wallet application. Once you do so, here at the bottom of your screen you can see Home, Swap, Earn and Discover tab. You want to simply tap on Swap option there and head into the Swap tab here, and at the top you can see Hot Tokens and Swap option. Simply tap on Swap. Now from here what you want to do is you want to simply select the token that you wish to swap to and for. So you want to simply tap on the first here. You can see Ethereum, it says right here. You can see the drop down, it is from. You want to tap on it and you want to select the particular crypto that you wish to swap, and you can see the two. You want to tap on drop down there and you can select what you want to swap it for. So as you can see, it says route not available. So you can see I'll swap Bitcoin for BNB Smart Chain here. Now down below you'll be able to see the swap rate, exchange rate as well. 1 BTC it equals to 117.30 BNB, that is Smart Chain. So then you can go ahead, and if you have sufficient amount you can tap on continue and go ahead with the process. So this is how you can swap cryptocurrencies using Trust Wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.